this factory handles millions of discarded plastic chairs every day, beginning their transformation process. All these damaged plastic chairs are collected from cities. They're stored here at the recycling yard before being processed. Guided by hand signals from the ground crew, this human-controlled crane carefully moves the bundle of chairs to the next stage of processing. Safety and precision are critical at this stage.
The workers ensure the plastic chairs are stabilized and aligned properly before the load enters the processing line.
This lift system carries the full plastic chairs deeper into the factory. As the lift locks into the chain-driven conveyor system, it begins moving the chairs steadily forward, ensuring continuous production without interruption.
The journey ends here. Ahead lies the processing zone, where these chairs will be destroyed and reborn through fire.
Plastic chairs are not burned here, but crushed into scrap using extreme pressure. This crushing stage turns entire plastic chairs into recyclable material, preparing them for the next transformation phase.
Hydraulic pressing reduces plastic chairs into manageable scrap. This color-mixed plastic chair scrap is now being prepared for melting in the furnace.
Human-controlled lifting is preferred for safety and precision.
The plastic scrap moves toward the massive spherical chamber.
Culmination of the cycle. From waste to resource, the transformation is constant.
Here, the plastic chairs undergo a chemical transformation, breaking down in the heat of the furnace into reusable liquid plastic material.
This liquid plastic is the raw material for new products.
As the molten plastic flows, different plastic outputs are separated and stabilized, collected here in designated containers. Millions of discarded plastic chairs have now become valuable plastic material, ready for manufacturing. Before shaping new plastic chairs, the chemical material must be cleaned thoroughly. At this stage, impurities from old plastic chairs are removed. We inspect the clarity closely because clean chemical quality is essential for ensuring strong plastic chairs. To prepare the different colored plastic chairs simultaneously, we mix precise amounts of red, blue, green, and yellow pigments into the base chemical tanks. By manually adjusting the mixing levels, we ensure the precise color consistency of the red, blue, green, and yellow plastic materials.
This is where new plastic chairs begin to form.
The synchronized operation of these molding lines ensures the continuous mass production of plastic chairs, meeting global demand efficiently. Clean chemical material has now become the foundation for millions of new plastic chairs. This is the first moment the new plastic chairs take their final shape.
Ensuring proper handling at this stage is essential. The components are delicate immediately after molding, and any mishandling could easily lead to damage.
As you can see, the extra plastic waste must be removed from the freshly molded chairs. The meticulous removal of excess plastic, known as precision cutting, is essential for ensuring smooth edges and improving overall chair quality.
Polishing process not only enhances the visual appeal of the chairs, giving them a high shine, but also adds significant surface strength.
Final surface finishing ensures durability and a clean appearance. With streamlined precision, this facility produces thousands of units daily, showcasing modern mass production efficiency. The plastic chairs are now fully shaped, cleaned, and polished, ready for final inspection and stacking.
This is the final polish confirmation stage.
This final touch ensures uniform shine and quality before storage.
Following the polishing process, the chairs are transported to this sorting area for organized storage.
Chairs are sorted strictly by color for efficiency.
Remember, this section is strictly for color-based separation. Only the red chairs go here, stacked neatly in these rows.
The principle of mass-scale organization is visualized. Thousands of units, uniformly stacked, ready for immediate deployment worldwide. Our team efficiently sorts and stacks the green plastic chairs, maximizing storage space as they prepare them for upcoming bulk orders.
All right, bring it down slowly. Watch the left side. Coming down now. Clear on the left.
Millions of plastic chairs are now ready for final dispatch stages.
The plastic chairs are now fully finished, polished, and organized by color, ready for the final phase of distribution.
Finished plastic chairs are now prepared for bulk handling. Proper bundling prevents damage during transport and storage. Thousands of plastic chairs are secured every hour. The chairs are now entering the final logistics stage. This facility alone processes millions of chairs annually, ensuring supply never lags behind demand. The chairs are carefully loaded into the containers, prepared specifically for distribution to our clients.
Efficient loading relies heavily on precise human coordination.
All right, slide it in right there.
With our streamlined logistics, we guarantee global supply readiness, delivering products efficiently worldwide. The journey of these recycled plastic chairs is almost complete. Millions of discarded plastic chairs have been transformed, rebuilt, and prepared for delivery, bringing the recycling story to a complete and successful end.